Alrighty, folks. Now, I'm going to use my trig functions to be able to help me find angles as well. Last time we learned how to find a missing side, but now I have a missing angle. To do that, I'm going to go ahead and still kind of approach it the same way that I did last time. So I'm going to look and see where my angle is. Okay, so I know I have this angle here. And look at my sides. It's giving me the side that is opposite of my angle, which is 18. It's also giving me the hypotenuse, or the side that's opposite of my right angle. Okay, so to solve, I know I need to use a trig function that has opposite and hypotenuse, and I know that trig function is sine. So I'm going to do sine. My angle this time is x instead of a number. So sine of x equals opposite, which is 18, over the hypotenuse, which is 45. But I want to get x all by itself here. So to do that, what I'm going to do is something called the inverse. I'm going to do the inverse of sine. So I write that as sine inverse and sine inverse. Okay, that gets rid of my sine. Now I have x on this side equals the sine inverse of 18 over 45. Sine inverse is also called the arc sine, and you'll see that oftentimes with calculators. So let's go ahead and pull up our calculator and try and solve this. I'm going to go to my trig, and if we look and see here, sine inverse here is represented by my arc sine in my calculator. Okay, so it's going to be either or in your calculator, either arc sine or sine to the -1 power. So I'm going to click on that, arc sine. I'm going to do 18 divided by 45, hit equal, and that is my angle, 23.57. So let's just round it to 23.6. Go back to our paper. X equals 23.6 degrees. And that's how you use your trig functions to help you find missing angles. Woohoo!